y'all, YouTube. Today we on the way to Birmingham, Alabama. Well, actually the sale is in Moody, but let's just say Birmingham since it's the closest big city. It's an 8-lane sale. Usually, what I'd say at least 800 cars, so probably over 1,000, anywhere between that area. I'll be working in lane 4 and then giving the guys breaks. So at these auto auctions, I work as a ringman, working my way up to be an auctioneer on the block. The ringman works on the ground. He assists the auctioneer in make sure the money is moving, finding the money. Let's go, let's rock and roll, let's sell, baby. That's it. Communicating with the buyers on the ground to the auctioneer, because a lot of times the buyers may have some questions about the car or whatever, or where we at on the pricing. And we help with the auctioneer with driving the price and make sure we get the vehicle in what we call a sellable position. We'll have an idea what the seller wants for the car while we're on the ground, and if we're not near there, we just gotta let the buyer know, hey, we need more to get there. We don't want to waste anyone's time. Like, okay, work, get the hopes up that we're gonna buy the car, and probably not, because we're too far to sell it. That's just gonna waste the buyer's time as well as the seller's. So that's what we do as a ringman, working with the auctioneer. In this lane today, I will probably have definitely over 100 cars, maybe even 200 or more. It depends. I'll find out when I get there and show you what we have going on. So I've been working the sale. In May will be a year. In May to be a year, I've been working at the sale. And this sale has really helped me learn a lot. Like, I learned a lot. I'm working with some very great auctioneers, very great ringmen who really know the process, the auction process, all throughout. They know how to really work it and what the value is of the auction, and how it really works, how it works for both ends, for the seller and buyer, and the auction house, of course, at the end of the day. Look at my windows, like all this pollen, it's hard to just keep it off during pollen season. Anywho, and speaking of great auctioneers, shout out my guy Dustin Taylor. He really helped me elevate my craft in this auction game a lot. Really great auctioneer, champion ringman, champion auctioneer as well on the teams. He's won a lot, and you'll see about the auto championship as well. Every year we have what we call the World Automobile Auctioneer Championship. It's usually between April and May. And one year we had it in October because of COVID, but yeah, it's where all of the most passionate and really high-ranked auctioneers in the world, auto auctioneers at that, come and compete, and we get judged on our salesmanship, appearance, teamwork, command, how we move the money, how we get the money, everything. It's exciting to me, and all the auctioneers, we love it. It's like a reunion. We have a great time, and that's going to be in Indianapolis this year in April 25th, 26th, one of those. I'll be competing as a ringman and a team ringman with my guy Michael Chambers up in New Hampshire. Yeah, give y'all a little bit of the scenery of getting into Alabama from Atlanta on I-20. I think it's beautiful, got a little bit of mountainous terrain area, and it looks nice. Usually a peaceful drive, 2.5 hours. It's not far. It's far enough, I guess, but it's not really a bad drive. Once you get past Douglasville, Georgia, which is where I'm driving through right now, traffic eases up, and there's no road rage, nobody trying to cut you off or anything. I actually love when I get to drive out of Atlanta, honestly. One of my mentors in the game, Dustin Taylor, here in Alabama. Where are you from? What part of Alabama are you from?
I live in Douglas, Alabama. Hometown's Aberville, Alabama, just right up the road from where I live.
He always has the best hair in the game, by the way. When we kill it every week, taught me a lot. One of the greats out here, multiple championships. Yeah, how many you won?
6.
He's won 6. All right, so I met Dustin Taylor. I'm gonna show y'all some of the other auctioneers and what we do.
get 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going to get 5 and 5. They're going to get 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 5 and 5. They're going to get 5. They're going to get now 6. They're going to get 6, 7. They're going to get 7 to bed, 7 to buy, and 7 to go. They're going to get hello, baby. They're going to get 7. They're going to get 8. They're going to get 9. They're going to get Logan. It's 9. They're going to get 9. 15,000. They're going to get 15 now. They're going to get 1 and 15 1. They're going to get a bomb. Now 2. They're going to get now 3. They're going to get 3 to go. Into 3. They're going to get a double tap and go right. They're going to get I told you now 4. They're going to get 5 and 5. They're going to get 5. They're going to get a tic tac toe pattern. They're going to get 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 5. They're going to get 5. They're going to get 5 and tic tac toe it. They're going to get 5 and 5 and 5. They're going to get a half 15 and 4. So number 10. They're going to get a ball. They're going to get a 6 8. They're going to get 26 and 26,000. You think long, I'm going to tell you one more time, you'll think long. You sniped one while ago, 26 1, 2, and 2.
Then we got the legendary Big Dave. Tell him, Big Dave, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, baby? Glad to be here today.
That's right, in Birmingham. Where you from?
I'm from Lewisburg, Tennessee.
You had to think about where you from. You got for a second.
Yeah, I had to think about it.
Then we got Mike up there. Look at Mike.
That's Magic Mike.
That's Magic Mike up there.
Magic Mike. We
With
make
the
some
hats.
magic happen.
Tell him what's up, Mike.
Hey.
All right, here in Birmingham and having a great sale today. All right, still out here in Birmingham, we got plenty of cars. Still got 4 lanes running right now. Probably about a good 400, at least more cars, probably more than that. Crazy busy every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. Look at all the cars we have out here. All kinds. All kinds. You got damage, good, you know, great, all kind of stuff, man. All kinds of stuff. So you got trucks like this. All kinds of stuff, man.
I'll do 7 for you, just you. £20, $700. No, thank you. $5. $5, 7 $7.5. 5 down. $27, 27.
Other half of the lot. How big? They've got a test track back there. Test track back there. You can't see it, but I'll walk back there later or in another video.
Good looking trucks, $24, $10, $9, $9, good 9,000, 9,000, 8,000, good 8,000, 8,000, 7,000.
My boy Wormy. $712. That's what I thought it was. Thank you, Lee. Here's the 137. I'm going to tell shipping needs. I'm going to give you a 3 ring. I'm going to give how much I got? Yes, sir. I've done that for a date. That's the date I went on. How about I give you here? 20 grand, 200. Put it down. 19. I kind of want one of these. I don't know why. But every time I find one, it's got some kind of body damage, like salvage title or something like that, or total loss. This body looks good on it so far. It's got good miles on it too. 2012, 67,000. Say 68,000 on it. Just made my Buc-ee's run. No, I didn't make a video inside. I should have, I guess. For those who haven't been to Buc-ee's, I got my cooler bag that's always with me. A couple of fruits for the road. And getting back on it to Memphis. Market was good today over there in Birmingham. Great sale. Sold a really good amount of cars today. You know, my lane 4, and then I went ahead and gave breaks in lane 5 through 8. And they was all like rocking pretty well too as well. The lower range vehicles, they did really good, which they always do. Mid-range vehicles, they were bringing the money. We sold, of course, we have a lot of trucks, a lot of 1500s, a lot of heavy duties, a few heavy duties, and they went well. We had a handful of Mustangs, which were very nice, also very nice. We had one with a nice catback exhaust system, it was really nice. And then some other lanes, we had some nice luxury cars. You seen the C-Class, you had a C-Class Benz, and there was an E-Class. I'll show it on there real quick. And, I'm gonna get more footage eventually as I get around and do it. It's very, it's very challenging and hard to do it while you're working at the same time. Got to show you some of the auctioneers in there. Really, really talented. We got some very good talent in that building. We bring it, man. We bring it. Now I'm on my way to Memphis, as I was talking about earlier when I stopped at Buc-ee's. It's a 3.5-hour drive from Birmingham, but I really love what I do, so I do not mind the drive at all. Back when I was doing Uber and Lyft, I was driving for 8 to 10 hours a day, not even making a half. Good God, it was a struggle. Mentally and financially, it was a struggle, and physically, it was really wearing me down. So yeah, I give this any day, rather than doing that. Yeah, this makes a whole lot more sense, and I'm happy doing it. I love doing this, getting better at it, at the sales I'm working at. So I'm all in for it. So when I get to Memphis tonight, I'll just be going over probably a few things for benefit auctions, reviewing some more emails, looking for any updates, checking stuff on the script. I have another one next Thursday. Next Thursday I have another one at home in Atlanta. And I have one as well this Saturday that I was talking about on the last video. After I get done doing that, talking with family and all that on the phone, then it's a little happy hour down in the lobby with the boys. And we have a great time. Sometimes we go hang out, or I do at least. I'm the one that always wants to go somewhere and do some stuff. I'm the thrill seeker. But we have a good time. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Share the video. Give me some feedback on what I can do to make the videos better. Am I doing too much talking? What do you want? Want some more conversations on the road? Want more B-roll? Want more scenery from the road trip? Do you want more videos from the auction? More explanation of cars? What do y'all want? Let me know in the comment down below what y'all would like on that, all right? What y'all would like to see? What would y'all like for me to provide in the videos for y'all?